Actually, I have seen Gurudev ji in photos, in TVs, some videos and everything, but I never saw till 3 years before in person. So once actually from Bangalore, I was about to go to Chennai, but some technical problem. The flight was not on time. So the crew actually in the airport, they said, please sit in a lounge. Then suddenly in that lounge, actually everybody is completely like electrifying. Everybody is happy, jumping. So much, this thing, everybody going through door. I thought some Prime Minister has come, something like that. I saw the Gurudev is standing there. So much actually, then he came and he sat in front of me. So just how you are everything. Just I'm saying straight 3 feet away, Gurudev. I could see so much happiness in his face. Face, eyes, eyebrow, chin, lip, hair, body. No, it is jubilant. Jubilant. I was only looking at him. It was like some poorest man, if he gets some 50 crores lottery, how happy he would be. Like that happiness. And I have seen saints, but this is amazing. Then Swamiji invited me, come ashram. After Himalayas, really enjoyed this ashram. I planned for 2 days, but I stayed for 15 days. And on that trip, so Gurudev once told me, in the evening, some auspicious day, lot of bhaktas, devotees, were hundreds, thousands were there. So Gurudev told me, I'm going to give a darshan. Can you come with me? He said, Gurudev, it's a lot of disturbance for you if I come with you. I told him, no problem, no disturbance, come. I thought naturally people will there, they were no Rajini, autograph, sign, gain, photo, video. He said, come pretty bhaktas throughout, completely thousands, they're standing. To be frank with you, I'm not lying. Not even a single person looked at me. Forget about photo, signature, not even a single person. I am waving hi, no one looked at me. No, I went with many politicians, my industrialists, and also, but they crushed my ego actually. So after reaching Villa, Gurudev asked, no disturbance, he said. इधर डिस्टर्ब हो गया इधर डिस्टर्ब हो गया. That is the power of spirituality. That is the power of spirituality. Stardom comes and goes. A limited time it stays. But this stardom is supreme stardom. That is the power of spiritual person. That is the power of spiritual person that attracts. That is the ultimate. That's why even PM to Gadkari, everybody is here. That is the power. That is the power. Spiritual power. His human birth is very auspicious. Don't spoil it, you mad people. To get human birth is not so easy. After getting human birth, yes, healthy body, peaceful mind, to get good mind is very difficult. After getting that, to wish to know yourself, it is very difficult. Then, to teach you, to lead you, getting a good guru, is very difficult. So after getting such a wonderful guru like Sri Sri, we should not miss this opportunity. Near Bhadrari, when it's 10 days of silence in Penance, actually was blessed with Sudarshana Kriya. You are so blessed actually, because these are the ancient techniques, very secret and very sacred. All rishis and saints actually, they won't reveal so easily. You have to be there with their 30 years, 40 years, you have to serve them. Then only you will get the initiation. Luckily, he is initiating everybody. So nice. Make use of that, being near him, to hear his voice. His drishti is a son of, I am blessed, sitting here, spending so much time. All this is because of Guru's grace, God's grace. God bless. Gurudev, please be with us. We want, of course, with healthy body, you should be there physically, you should be there long time. And I pray God your good health. Thank you very much for this opportunity. Thank you.